Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to read Chapter 3 of History Nazism and Rise of Hitler, Part 10. In this part, we will read about the Hitler's foreign policy in detail. In this policy, Hitler reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936. He integrated Austria and Germany in 1938 under the slogan One People, One Empire, and One Leader. This was the slogan of Hitler during foreign policy. He then took student land from Czechoslovakia. Hitler had the unspoken support of England as well. He chose war as a way out of economic crisis. He thought that this is the way that he can solve the problem of economic crisis. Resources were to be accumulated through expansion of territory. In September 1940, Germany invaded Poland. This started a war with France and England. USA resisted involvement in the war also. But when Japan extended its support to Hitler and bombarded Pearl Harbor, the USA entered the war. The war ended in 1945 with Hitler's defeat and US bombing to Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan, which we all know very well about this attack. Then Hitler was defeated. Now, expansion of Nazi power in 1914, you can see there in this map. Thank you. Next we will do in our next module.